Best deals.
1. Peeler. Smart design with an attached storage box to collect peels instantly, keeping your kitchen clean. Perfect for peeling vegetables like potato, carrot and fruits like apple, pear, and mango. Made with premium stainless steel blades for smooth and effortless peeling. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Herb scissors. The non-slip handles ensure a firm grip, providing safety and control for all your cutting tasks. Quickly prepare herbs like basil, parsley, and cilantro with minimal effort, ideal for salads, garnishes, and dishes. Lightweight and easy to store. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Ice cube mold. Simply press the soft silicone base to release perfectly shaped vertical ice cubes without ever touching them. The included lid and ice bin keep your ice cubes clean and organized while preventing freezer odors and spills. Vertical layout fits easily in most freezer compartments. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Storage bags. Features strong double zipper seals to lock in freshness and prevent spills. Ideal for marinating, freezing, or storing leftovers. Designed to withstand cold temperatures, making them perfect for storing frozen items, pre-prepped meals, and fresh produce. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Mango cutter. You can cut any type of fruits and vegetables like potato, onion, tomato, brinjal, carrot, capsicum, mushroom, apple, guava, green mango. It is foldable, also very easy to use. It has a handle that allows you to cut mango or any vegetable fruit with pressure. It's strong and sharp. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Curd strainer. Designed for making thick and creamy yogurt at home with ease. A perfect curd maker for home, it helps you achieve restaurant-style hung curd effortlessly. Featuring a stainless steel mesh, this yogurt filter strainer ensures effective separation of whey. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Peeler. Triangle-shaped head with multiple blade positions allows quick switching between different cutting styles for varied food preparation needs. Durable stainless steel blades and ergonomic handle ensure comfortable, precise cutting and long-lasting performance. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Grapes peeler. Rechargeable multifunctional fruit peeler tool offers cord-free convenience for countertop or outdoor kitchen use. Heavy-duty home kitchen appliance features stainless steel blades and food-grade components for daily use. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Spiral cutter. Made of food-grade stainless steel material, safe and hygienic to use. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Chopper. The sharp stainless steel blades are fast to chop and mince. The bowl is BPA-free and safe for containing food. The bowl and the blades can be separated so the chopper can be convenient to be washed. Cleaning is an easy task using mild detergent as chopper dishwasher safe. Chopper has advantage of simple structure, compact value, and convenience. 900 ml capacity is suitable for large quantity usage. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Ice cube trays. Creates 16-cylinder ice cubes with each filling for parties, entertaining or everyday use. Made of food-grade silicone, this ice tray is bendable and will not break or crack easily. It is also heat-resistant and dishwasher safe. The cylinder shape of each compartment ensures ice cubes release. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Mini wire brush. Comes with 3 types of bristles for all surfaces, includes brass, nylon, and stainless steel bristles to clean a wide range of surfaces including metal, plastic, ceramic, and rubber without damage. Handle designed for comfort and control. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Apple corer tool. The non-slip design makes coring easy and fun, without any hassle. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Corer remover. Featuring angled edges, the pepper corer effortlessly cuts through peppers, ensuring seamless prep every time. No more struggling with knives or messy hands. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Ice molds. Sphere ice cube tray has a leak-proof design to prevent spills and excess water from freezing outside. effectively avoiding the problem of mold sticking in the refrigerator. Don't worry at all during the freezing process. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Stretch lids. Airtight and leak-proof seal, keeps food fresh longer and prevents spills or odors. Food-grade silicone, 100% BPA-free, safe for direct contact with food and liquids. Microwave, freezer and dishwasher safe, built to handle temperature extremes with no deformation. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Cylinder. Made of heavy-duty steel with powder-coated surface to ensure rust resistance. Along with its heavy-duty and durable wheels, Satpuda's gas cylinder stand will last you for a lifetime. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Organizer. 360-degree rotation, allows for easy access to stored items from any angle by simply rotating the tray. Maximized storage efficiency, utilizes the entire surface area effectively, making the most of available space. Enhances accessibility to stored items, eliminating the need to reach to the back of shelves or cabinets. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Apple cutter. Effortlessly slice with premium stainless steel apple cutter. The sharp blades make clean and precise cuts. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Knife. Comfortable non-slip handle designed for extended use, the black ergonomic handle provides a solid grip, preventing slips and reducing wrist fatigue during long food prep sessions. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Peeler. Automatic electric peeler suitable for various fruits and vegetables including potatoes, apples, and other produce with rotating blade mechanism. Features an efficient motorized system that automatically peels fruits and vegetables, reducing manual effort and saving time. Built with sturdy plastic housing and stainless steel blade for long-lasting performance and consistent peeling results. Simple one-button operation with adjustable arm to accommodate different sizes of fruits and vegetables. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Cutter. Slicer cum peeler slices and peels vegetables and fruits, promoting healthy eating with its stainless steel blade and ergonomic design. Made with high-quality stainless steel blades, the slicer cum peeler ensures long-lasting performance, reducing the need for electric gadgets. Sleek and compact design allows easy storage, occupying very small space, very quick to cut accurate pieces of vegetable and some fruits, easy manual wash and dry after wash. 5x vegetable cutter comes with unique 45mm radius round blades for better performance, very handy and comfortable to use and maintain. Its unique slicing, cutting and chopping solution for your kitchen. Product link is given in the 22nd link.